A proper Motorcycle CarPlay screen fixes many problems with glove-friendly controls and voice commands that actually work at speed, so your attention stays where it belongs, on the road. In this video, I'll show you the 7 smartest options for any rider. By the end, you'll know exactly which screen fits your motorcycle and your riding style. All the links are in the description so you can check current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. Carabc. If you want without a wiring rabbit hole, the Carabc feels tailor-made. It drops right onto models with the 3-pin subframe connector, so installation is genuinely plug-and-play. No tapping into harnesses or splicing unknown wires. On the road, the 1000 nit anti-glare display is the star. Even at noon, maps, calls, and prompts stay readable. And at 60 frames per second, the touch response is buttery smooth, which matters when you are zooming a map at a stoplight with gloves on. CarPlay and Android Auto keep your phone tucked away while you follow turn-by-turn directions, answer a call, or cue music by voice. With IP68 sealing, rain rides and dusty back roads are non-events. Just do not hit it with a high-pressure washer. 2 rider perks push this beyond a screen: integrated GPS for solid positioning if your phone struggles, and the ability to read bike data so you can glance at engine metrics without another accessory. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Carpuride. Want a universal unit that still feels purpose-built for bikes? Carpuride's W603 nails the essentials and adds smart touches. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto put calls, maps, and music a tap, or Hey Siri/Google away, so your hands stay on the bars and your phone stays pocketed. Audio is sorted. Pair your Bluetooth helmet or headset and handle tunes, directions, and calls without lifting your visor. There is even a wired handlebar controller for quick actions like answering, waking the display, or hopping home, ideal with thick gloves. The 6 3/10" IPS panel punches through glare with up to 1000 nits of brightness and a tall 1440 by 720 layout that makes map lanes and prompts easy to read. A light sensor auto-dims at dusk, saving night vision when you roll into town. Built for abuse, it is IP67 waterproof and rated from -20 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius. The detachable anti-theft bracket lets you pop the unit off at a cafe stop. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Wonvon. If you love the idea of a cockpit upgrade, Wonvon combines a big 7-inch touchscreen with rider-first safety features. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto keep your focus forward, and glove-friendly controls plus auto brightness make day-night transitions seamless. It doubles as a trip recorder with dual 1080p dash cameras, capturing your ride and protecting you in traffic. The integrated GPS provides precise positioning and route tracking even when cell coverage drops. Great for mountain passes and rural touring. Where it really stands out is safety. Built-in blind spot detection helps watch your flanks, and a tire pressure monitoring system keeps you ahead of slow leaks that can ruin handling. That is the kind of quiet protection you appreciate at highway speed or in tight city moves. Bluetooth audio links to your helmet for music and prompts, and voice assistants handle messages or calls hands-free. With real-time rerouting, speed alerts, and trip stats, it is both a navigator and a ride computer. Ideal if you want one device to guide, record, and safeguard every mile. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Lbw. This screen is built for bikes with the 4-pin connector and original bracket, so you get true plug-and-play and native control. Scroll tracks, zoom maps, and cycle info without lifting a hand. The integration pays off in data. If your motorcycle already has tire pressure monitoring system, you can view tire pressures on the screen alongside fuel, engine revolutions per minute, and mileage. Real-time bike info next to navigation keeps your cockpit clean and cohesive. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto mean you can run routes, calls, and music by voice. Pair, say, "Take me to fuel," and roll. It just works. No juggling cables in the rain or at fuel stops. Compatibility starts at iOS 6 and Android 11 and up. The 6-inch IPS panel with 1440 by 720 resolution and wide 170-degree viewing angle stays legible from any seated posture. With IP67 waterproofing and a sand-resistant nano coating, it is happy on soggy commutes and gravel detours alike. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Alienrider. If safety tech is top priority, Alienrider brings car-grade awareness to a motorcycle form factor. A 77 GHz millimeter wave radar monitors rear and side zones for blind spot detection, lane change assistance, and rear collision warnings, day, fog, or rain. That awareness pairs with convenience. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto handle maps and messaging, and the unit supports screen projection options for flexible navigation setups. You keep both hands on the controls while your headset relays prompts clearly. It also watches the rubber, real-time tire pressure and temperature monitoring surfaces issues early, with multi-tire display support for a range of bikes and setups. Peace of mind on long highway stretches is priceless. With 1080p recording, night vision, loop capture, and emergency file lock, it doubles as a guardian and a navigator. Perfect for commuters and tourers who ride in all conditions. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Gohdl. Gohdl is the universal workhorse that keeps setup simple. Mount it on virtually any handlebar, plug into bike power, and you are live. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto mean no tethered cable. Just enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone and go. The IP68 housing and removable anti-theft holder are ride-everywhere practical. Pop it off when you park, snap it back on when you roll, and do not sweat summer storms or road spray. The build feels solid enough for daily abuse. Bluetooth takes care of hands-free calls and music through your helmet, while voice assistants handle navigation and apps. There is even a TF card slot for system updates, so you are not stuck with old firmware. Because it is plug-and-play, it suits shared bikes, older models, and rental adventures. If you want a reliable, budget-friendly way to add bright maps, easy audio, and voice control to any motorcycle, Gohdl is the just ride choice that gets the job done. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Spedal. Spedal's CL871 wins because it blends clarity, simplicity, and rider-friendly design in a compact package that suits a wide range of bikes. The 6¼ high-resolution display peaks at 900 nits, so lanes, exits, and roundabout prompts stay visible under harsh sun. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto streamline every ride. Speak to start a route, answer a call, or swap playlists while your phone stays safe and dry. Auto brightness keeps night rides comfortable, and the responsive touchscreen plays nicely with light touch glove inputs at stops. Audio is clean and uncomplicated. Pair your helmet to your phone, not the screen, to minimize quality loss, then let Siri or Google Assistant manage volume, tracks, and calls. It feels natural after one commute. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best motorcycle CarPlay screens you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.